I'll go in with this. It's dry. It's a dry tablecloth. I'll use this just to wipe over the white mist. Oh, sun, yes, sun, sun, sun. Oh, guys. Yeah, it's one. What is this thing now? There you go. Cheese. I use these guys, these ice cream containers, just to keep my green peppers and my tomatoes in. So, here's a baby girl. Let's just try a couple baby girl. These are the leftovers which are in here from last night. In and tomatoes in the Ooh, I love the lightning, son. The lighting is so bad, but again, there is nothing we can do. And there we go, guys. My fridge is clean now. I just want to wipe where I keep my cereal. Those are wheat bakes for my son. What are these? Oh, this is some oats. And this, what are these? Let's see, what are these? Oh, these are some Rice Krispies also for my son for his breakfast. And here, more oats. And yeah, let's just wipe this together and then we're good. There we go. I just want to clean this up. Just a little wipe because I do wipe them every week. So yeah. Just wipe them. It is. And then let's do some Rice Krispies refill. Oh, there we go. Oats. So this is just me, guys, in the morning. I'm just having my morning juice, or if you wanna call it juice, or drink if you wanna call it drink, whatever you wanna call it. What I usually mix is I take garlic, I boil garlic, ginger, lemon, and just mix it with honey, and then boil it, and then there we go. But I don't drink it every day. I just drink it maybe 3 times in a week. Yeah, just that's what I like. So yeah. Okay, guys, let's do the dishes now. Let's do the dishes. And then after that, we're gonna have some breakfast, yeah. Yeah. Yo guys, at least I'm finally done washing dishes and doing the things that I needed to do. So right now I'm just gonna be having some breakfast, which is I'm just gonna be having a magwinya, them guinyas and some cold drink, and then that's it basically. Yeah, so guys, so I'm having my breakfast, which is legwinya, and I'm gonna be having some stony. Yeah, and that's it, guys. It was just one of those lazy morning vlogs. So yeah, and welcome, yo guys. I didn't do an intro for this vlog. Hey boo, I totally forgot. Okay, let's do the intro together. Hi guys, welcome to my new vlog with me, Uapesh, also known as Uapelele. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please press the panic button so that you get a notification whenever I post a new vlog. Bye. Cheers.